It's another trading day today. It's a Friday, and yeah, I hope everyone is doing good. Kindly click the subscribe button and the notification button so that you get notified. And when I post content, you get that notification. And yeah, so what we're looking at is EURUSD here. So I was in a short trade. I took it during the Asian session. I took it during the Asian session because it took out this high here, and the high was taken out during the Asian. You see, like as you know, we have an opening. This is an accumulation. There's a manipulation to the upside, and then there's an expansion to the downside. So because this high has been taken out during the Asian session, there was no way like I was gonna wait for London session to come back here because already it has cleared this previous daily high. So I had to just take the trade. Yeah, but now I'll be closing the trade because it's already Friday, and I don't know if during New York session maybe there will be a move that goes to take out the highs. So I'm just gonna close the trade, but we are on a distribution phase at the moment. As you know that the EURUSD this week has been very bullish since Monday. As you can see, since Monday there was an opening. According to the weekly, this defines a weekly chart. So this is a 5-day: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So this is a weekly chart. This is what is happening on a weekly chart. There was a opening, manipulation, and there was an expansion to the upside, and then Thursday there was a distribution. So the distribution happened around on this order block. On the daily chart you can see there's an order block here, and also there was a buy side liquidity. So I wasn't expecting for price to go up further. So as you know that Thursday and Friday if you are using the weekly chart to analyze, Thursday and Friday is your distribution. So Monday, so that this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So once the trend is like this, if you see the first expansion and the second expansion and the third expansion, on the fourth expansion you should expect a distribution for market to sell off. If you see 3 rise, 1, 2, 3, and on the fourth you must expect a distribution. If the rise started on Tuesday, so it was going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday there was going to be a distribution. So if you see a 3 rise trend, there's a distribution after that. It's the same thing if the rise is happening on London session. You see from London session the expansion start from London, and it goes on to New York. So there's gonna be a 3 upward move which define your expansion. And that upward move, after you see this 3 expansion, then late New York you must expect a distribution. So yeah, and this is what has been happening. So Thursday yesterday, I took a sell trade around here, though I didn't record the trade. But yeah, but today and this Friday I also took another sell trade. I'm anticipating for price to come to this low, I'm anticipating to come to this low. But then I'm also thinking, what if when the New York session opened, it blast up? But I don't know what's going to happen. So maybe I can just trade my stop loss. Yeah, maybe just trade my stop loss and see what is going to happen. But I was really hoping then that price will come to this area, come to this low here, filling out this. We call this a liquidity void. This is a liquidity void. So as you know, this is a liquidity void. So yeah, I'm really expecting price to come to this void here, fill up this void and take site liquidity here. So like here there are sell stops here now on this low. Okay, sell side, this is sell side liquidity. So we really don't know what's going to happen. We're just anticipating for price to come here, and if you can check this, the Sunday opening price, it's here. This is the Sunday opening price, and currently price is on a premium. Currently price is on a premium at the moment. So framing with the weekly, so if you frame with the weekly, you're gonna have Monday, which will be your opening price. In fact, Sunday, late Sunday to Monday, then you mark the opening price, and above the Sunday opening price there's a premium, and below it it's a discount. So premiums levels, these were the premium levels, because this is a other block and this is a sell side, is a buy side liquidity. So those are key premium levels. So yeah, I'm really anticipating that if at least it come to this equilibrium, here, maybe it can be a better move. It can be a better move if we can have something like this. If we can have something like this, you know, it can really, it would have fulfilled my expectations here. This is the anticipation that I have. If it can come to this low, or here on this low, or right here on this equilibrium, I mean, it will be enough pips for me. It will really enough pips. As you know, well, we are on expansion, and this move, the expansion move, it is steadily and slow, because smart money is in now. Smart money is inside, so it will be like around 110 pips. So here it's 130 here. So it will be something on a Friday. I really don't like to trade on a Friday, but because I was seeing an opportunity and I said, look, let me take the trade. And yeah, and see what's really going to happen. Let me do this here. Let me mark this area and see if this area cannot really provide some resistance. Of course, no one knows what price will do next, so we trade with anticipations. So yeah, if price is not going above this level of resistance, then price, it should come and fill up this void and come to the equilibrium. That's what I'm expecting. That's what I'm anticipating. If it doesn't do that, then I don't know. But at the moment, I'm seeing an expansion phase. So this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at an expansion. As I told you that we open and we manipulate to the upside. The thing here is that the manipulation happened on the agent session. So another rule that you must understand is that if the manipulation happens during the agent session, if there is an area of an order block that is targeted, or there is a previous high, or there is a fair value gap that is targeted during agent session, then you must know that during the London session, there won't be any manipulation. There will just be an expansion to the downside. For example, you check here, you check on the previous day, you see agent session, there's a manipulation to the upside, taking out this high, taking out this high here, and then after that it started to expand to the downside. You see it coming out during the London session. It came to this order block. You see this order block here? Yeah, there was just a minor pullback, and then there was a sell off to the downside. You see, there was a sell off to the downside. So some of the traders who don't know that if the manipulation happens during the agent session, they don't know that during the London there's nothing that's going to happen. So if you are going to expect price to come back and take out the agent high during the London session, and already the manipulation happened on the agent session, forget, it won't happen. It won't happen. Price won't go up. It will continue dropping, because when price is manipulating, as I have said, when there is a manipulation, price it is sponsored. That move is sponsored, and it is targeting a particular level, is targeting a particular area on the upside. It's targeting a fair value gap on order block, or a previous daily high or previous daily low. That's it. So you know that this expansion frequently it happened on the London session. There are slim time that we see it happening on the agent session, but once it happened on the agent session, you really have to just take the trade on the London session. Don't anticipate any move, because you are going to miss the trade. But even if you miss the trade, it's okay, because there will always be opportunities. For example, let us look at this here. You see here, this is an accumulation. This is an agent accumulation. This is clear power trade. Agent accumulation, London open, and then we have what do you see? Manipulation, targeting what? This previous daily low. That's it. After taking out this previous daily low, and I took the trade. You saw me taking this trade. After taking out this previous daily low, boom, there is what? There's an expansion, distribution, and then you see here it's taking out the low on the agent. When London opened, it went up. It continued going up. It continued going up, and then on the New York session, it took out this low. This sell side, it just took out the people who were long here, because there are people who place their stop losses here. And it took them out, and then continue going up. That's it. And what do you see? As I see one, two, three, and then it distributes. So yeah, that's what we are talking about here. But from my entry to where price is at now, like it's almost around 30 pips. So what I can do now, let me just take half of the trade out, so that if it take me out on the New York session, at least I would have already back something. All right, let me take out half of the trade. All right, half of them, closing half of the trade. Okay, closing half of the trade, and then let me put my stop loss just here. Yeah, put my stop loss here, and then let's see what's going to happen. During the New York session. So if this sell side is holding and price go up, takes out this agent session, this agent liquidity, this high. So at least I've closed half of the trade. So yeah, we'll see what's really going to happen. So it's a Friday, and when it's Friday, a lot of things are happening during Friday. most of the people, they avoid Friday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, those are key days, to even a Monday, it does provide opportunities, but most of the time Monday, it's a manipulation. Move on Monday, you see. So Monday, you see a fake move, because on Monday, that's where the, what to call this, the weekly range is commencing. It commences on Monday, and it commences with the manipulation around Tuesday. This manipulation can also happen on Tuesday, even Wednesday, you know, depending on when is the low or the high going to fall. So you have to anticipate this manipulation to happen within these 3 days, So yeah, and on Friday you are going to see this. So do you see this structure? Do you see the structure? This is Monday, and this is Friday. This is today. So it's just like it's like an arc. So this is what you want to see. This is the weekly. This is the weekly range. This is what is happening on the weekly chart, on the weekly time frame. If you check the weekly candle, this is what is happening. You are seeing a manipulation and an expansion, and then a distribution. So as I've told you, that power tree is evident. It is evident on the daily chart, it's evident on the weekly chart, it's evident on the monthly chart, even on the H4, it's evident. So you're anticipating to see those things, but because I'm a day trader to a short-term trader, most of my trade don't hold them overnight, just day trading, because of the pullbacks and seeking of liquidity, some of the things that I avoid. But sometimes I do hold swing trades. However, my personality is of a day trade to a short-term trader. Here, day trade to a short-term trader. So yeah. So yeah, this is what is happening, and you see what is happening here currently. The way price is moving, it really doesn't please me at all. How price is playing out at the moment, it doesn't seem pleasing. But the previous daily low, we've taken the previous daily low, because the main thing is to target the previous day low. That's all you need. 20 pips, 20 pips below, as you can see, 20 pips below. Hence I had to take half of the trade out, because that's what you're targeting. If you will target 20 pips below the daily low, you okay, you're really okay. 20 pips. So this is what you're targeting. 20 pips below the previous daily low. So this is the previous daily low, 20 pips, boom, from here. That's all you really need. That's all you need. Let's check the 5 minutes time frame. So you can see from entry to almost around 30 pips. So I'm going to close the trade, because it seems like it's reversing, really reversing. So I'm just going to close it, because it's Friday, and yeah, I did what I supposed to do. So I'm just going to close this trade, and then I'm done for the week. We took it from where? From Monday to Thursday, and so yeah, we are done with this commentary of this trade, and I wish you all the best in your trading career. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. So whatever you do here, you're only taking your own decisions, but use this on a demo account, so you don't lose any money until you master it, until it becomes an integral part of you. And then when you're confident enough, you'll make your own decision. I wish you all the best in your trading career. The outer slightly here, signing out. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. Cheers.